Assalamualaikum and a very good day to you all. In this video, I would like to share with you additional question for the second video. Okay, because of I noticed the video takes about 10 minutes. Okay, it's too long, so I make it separate for this one. So let's get started. The demand and supply curve for the consumer's product are given by these equations. Okay, D and S over here respectively. So Q over here is quantity measured in thousands of unit produced. So please take note when they tell us about thousands of unit produced over here, okay, it means something. Okay, find the price and quantity. Okay, now hence calculate the consumer surplus. Now we find the price and quantity at equilibrium point, which is a market equilibrium point. So before we get into that, perhaps it's helpful for us to sketch first. It's not necessary, but it's better if we can visualize it. Okay, so the demand function is a quadratic going downwards, something like this. Okay, so this is our dx demand, and our supply is a straight line going upwards like this. So this is our SQ. Oh, sorry, I use X. We must use Q. So this is the Q and this is the price. Okay, now what we want to find is this one. We want to find Q naught and P naught. So let's what should we do is this point, we can get this point when SQ intersect with DQ. So what we can do is we let them to be equal, like that. Okay, so 10 plus 7Q equals 70 minus Q squared, and then Q squared plus 7Q, 10 minus 60 lah, right? Yeah. So this one we can solve quadratic. How to get 160 to 30 cannot. 320. Oh no. 320 415. 415. Yalah, 415. 512 can 512 x pula q. So this one minus lah. Okay, so you get is q equals 5, q equals minus 12. Okay, now from here clearly we won't accept Q minus 12, okay, because quantity cannot be negative. In this case, we can straight away consider our Q is 5 unit. Q is quantity measured in thousands of units, so 5,000 unit lah. So it's a 5,000 unit. Yes, and then we need to do to use the price. Okay, now price. Okay, so when Q is 5, S5 equals S5 is 10 plus 7, 5, 35, 45. So the price is 45 ringgit over here. Okay, now the numbers are complete. We can find CS and PS. Okay, CS and PS. Okay, now CS is the integration from 0 to 5. Where's the function? D70 minus Q squared dx. Okay, we minus the square, 545. Okay, and then 70Q minus Q cube over 3, 50 minus 45 but 225. Okay, 70 minus square 0 and then 5. That one I get 925 over 3 minus 225. We need to get the figure in decimal. It should be RM 83.33 ringgit. Wait, the price in RM, yalah, correct lah. Okay, now alamak tak muat. Okay, maybe PS muat over here. PS equals, okay, PS, remember we need to multiply the box first and then we minus. Okay, minus, integrate from 0 to 5. What is the function? The function is 10 plus 7q with respect to q. Oh, I made a mistake over here. It's supposed to be with respect of q. Okay, now, okay, continue 2 to 5. Okay, and then that integration is 10q plus 7 over 2q squared. Need the box. 2 box. Box. 5, 0. Okay, and then 2 to 5 minus what? Okay. It's 10q plus 7 over 7q only. 7q. Oh, 10. My bad. Okay. 0 to 5. So, what decimal? 137.5. Okay. 1, 2 to 5. It's RM 87.5 ringgit. 5.5 cannot. This one lah, I meant you use calculator and then you get 0.5 and then you just put the RM like that. It is wrong. It's supposed to be 2 decimal numbers, 50 cent, like that. Okay. Okay, so I think that's all. Thank you for your time and attention. Assalamualaikum. Have a good day.